Description: a gentle but effective dandruff treatment shampoo with natural ingredients that instantly relieves an itchy scalp, prevents dandruff and restores moisture. Benefits: the signature ingredient, B. Propolis, has antiseptic properties to help prevent further scalp conditions. Suggested use: do 2 successive shampoos, to remove impurities and leave on for 3 minutes to treat the scalp. Directions for use: wet hair thoroughly. Emulsify a small amount of Bain Traitant à la Propolis dandruff treatment shampoo between your palms. Apply to the scalp and massage, adding small amounts of water progressively as a gentle lather builds. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat. The first wash cleanses while the second application treats. Massage into the scalp and leave on for 3 minutes. High-quality ingredients you can trust. Full of natural oils, proteins, plant extracts. Free of SLS, SLES, parabens, preservatives. Always cruelty-free. Safe for color-treated hair, vegan with UV filters. Pro tips: for maximum benefit, pre-treat your scalp with Huile Apaisante, our award-winning, naturally soothing, and anti-inflammatory oil. For especially irritated and dry scalps and hair, mix Bain Traitant à la Propolis with Crème Ox Fleur, our soothing cleansing cream. Place small, even amounts, 50-50, in the palm of your hand before applying. Leave on for 10 minutes before gradually emulsifying and rinsing. Top reviews from the United States. The best for eczema and/or dandruff. Of all the brands and even prescriptions my husband has tried for his eczema, dandruff, psoriasis on and around his scalp, this is the only shampoo that has actually worked. Despite clearing up the patches and reducing the itching, his confidence is back since he doesn't have to constantly check and worry about any flaking and scratching. Thank you.